Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back again with yet another live CoP. Week 3, big week, boys. We got fucking SupREme North Face collab. We got fleeces, fucking parkas, balaclavas, gloves, bags, backpacks, everything, bro. We got some nice colorways, some actual cool shit, some t-shirts, baby Simon Bell, these pants, this t-shirt again. There's a lot of stuff actually this week, bro. This week, decent week, but pricey, bro. Holy shit, this fucking parka, $700, gonna come out like to $750 tax. That shit is crazy. No fucking clue why this shit is $750. The lining on this shit must be crazy or something, but from honestly, it doesn't look crazy. It looks a little thicker, but not $700 thicker, bro. I don't know. And this vest or jacket, backpack, whatever you want to call it, I don't know how much that thing's worth, bro. I don't know why the price is so expensive, but hey, man, I don't know. Balaclava's really sick. I like them, dude. I'm not gonna get one, but they look like some badass ninja shit, to be honest. The colors, then this fucking green and the pink, or the pink lemonade color, that goes off. I don't know what it is, but that shit goes off. Fleece gloves, nice. Fleece jackets. This is what I'm gonna be going for, the hitter, bro. I'm gonna go for it in the pink colorway, the red colorway, whatever you want to call it. The green is tasty too, but I think red is just stands out the most. Red is like the standout color. Red is fire. Backpacks are so sick too. I've been thinking about getting one for myself. I think I'm gonna go for the red one. I don't know if I'll end up deciding to keep it or if I decide keeping it. I have to see. BB Simon Bell. I originally wanted this. If you guys saw my lookbook review, I originally wanted this in white, but too expensive, bro. I don't know. T-shirt is funny. It looks like one of those tuxedo t-shirts that would come out in like middle school. I would buy it. I mean, I'd wear it. I'm not gonna buy it, but I'd wear it. These pants so hard, bro. I want these. And the regular denim, bro, the regular wash right here, I'd want these. These are sick. Somebody buy them for me, please, bro. Let's go to YouTube real quick, bro. The gaming guy. Let's see if the gaming guy still uploads his videos. Go on, baby. Go on.
Battle Royale games are everywhere.
Oh, this is the wrong fucking gaming guy. This is always a troll with this fucking guy, bro. Fuck that guy. Oh, he changed his name to Robert. Alright, Robert.
What is going on the YouTube?
Robert, what's the order, buddy? Real quick. Oh, an ad!
I'm a serious gamer.
Alright, you see a jackets is the first thing. Alright. Thanks, Robert. Oh no! I don't need that. I need fleece. No way. My man. This shit got wiped out within 4 seconds. Holy fuck. Holy hell. What am I doing going back? I don't want that. Oh my god, dude. The whole collection got wiped out. Holy shit. Get botted like a motherfucker. Holy hell, I've never seen it like this. Oh, credit card number didn't even go in, bro. Oh, I'm not gonna upload this shit. Fuck that. This was a waste of time. I should have stayed asleep. Holy hell. What the fuck? What in the world happened, dude? This shit got botted to fuck. These parks still, I imagine why they're still here, dude. They're so expensive. Am I actually gonna get that? Oh no! No! It's here? Oh, so okay. Ah, shit. This is here now? Oh my god, bro. This website is fucking retarded. Nah, do not check out that shit. Damn. So fucked. I don't know if I want to upload this, bro. This is pretty cheesy right now. This is pretty shit. Holy crap. I need to check back on the fucking footage as to when this thing sold out. This thing sold out immediately as soon as I loaded up, but either way, I wouldn't have gotten a chance to, I don't think, bro. In 4 seconds, it was gone. Yes, I misclicked and I actually went to the park now. But holy fuck. 4 seconds and all the colorways were gone, wiped out. Whole website wiped out. Even the fucking red backpack was wiped out. I don't know what to say about that shit. This shit got fucking botted to fuck, bro. Holy fuck. I don't know what to say. That shit was obliterated. I don't know what else to say, man. That shit got fucking wrecked. There is nothing else to say. Cause that shit got destroyed. Holy fuck. Alright, I'm just gonna end it there, bro. I don't know if I'll upload this. We'll see. Cause this is fucking shit. Holy fuck. As always, thank you guys so much for watching though. Let me know down below if you guys won anything. Or if you guys got fucked like me, dude. I imagine you guys got fucked like me. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the views and all the support, likes, dislikes, whatever it is. And I'll see you guys later.